Before I get started today, I wanted to thank a new subscriber, Rico Allen. I went over to your channel and realized that you are a veteran, so thank you for your service, sir. And I learned that you're working on your degree, so hopefully you'll get that. Good luck with that, and congratulations if you've already finished. So thank you for subscribing. There was a few other new subscribers that weren't made public. I did see the numbers go up, so I appreciate that. We're trying to grow the channel. You know, hopefully as we go, the videos will get a little bit better. We're trying. And anyway, let's get going on today's business. So what we're doing, once we mount the bracket, we're putting in glue in the brackets. We're putting in glue, a strip of glue where it crosses over the girder, and a strip of glue in the hanger on the other side, just to prevent any kind of squeaks that we may have. And then once they get these laid out, we will have to find, I ordered a couple extra of these to cut up for a spacer across the middle.
Yeah.
Here Mike is using my new metal connector nailer, and Gary is using a regular framing nailer to nail the joists to the top of the girder. That new metal connector nailer is really nice. The tips of the nails stick out just enough to where you could put the tip of the nail in the hole of that bracket and it will drive that nail in one shot. It is so much faster than trying to hand nail those Tico nails or use a palm nailer. And of course, when I go for the close-up, more boom booms, it doesn't have enough nails to shoot the nail in the connector. Today I kind of worked on smoothing out some of the rough spots. You know, I know the foundation is functional, but I kind of want it pretty too. So today I was using some mortar mix to fill in some of the air pockets and a couple ugly spots that we had. So that is what I was working on while the guys were doing post and girders, and then they ended up getting, I don't know, what is that, like about 8 of the floor joists in, and we kind of ran out of time for the day. So I also came up short one girder over there, so we'll have to I'll have to pick up one of those in the morning. So I think it's pretty safe to say by the end of the week we will have all the floor joists in and set. So after that, I need to start running these sewer lines under the house, and once I get that all in, I can get that inspected, and then I got to do insulation and get that inspected, and then I'll probably have Gary and the guys out after that to help me put down the flooring. So with that, I want to thank everyone for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.